Hi everyone, I'm here with a very small haul and something I was gifted from my demonstrator, my Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. So first, she sent this card and I have an order coming. This paper is from their celebration, which if you buy, I believe it's $60 or more now, you are entitled to an item out of their celebration booklet, and one of the things is this toadstool paper, and in the main catalog there is a stamp and punch bundle, which I'm pretty sure is what she made these with, or at least I can't remember if it's a large one and a small one. It looks like it. Anyway, look at this adorable card. It's just a little thank you, it says, and she made it so I can use it as well. But the paper's so cute. Honestly wasn't sure because of the colors, but I really, really like this card. So bright and cheerful, and there's a little ladybug here. So that's the first thing. One sec. So she sent that to me with, she has her own rewards point system if you order so much. And this is from a December order when they had a free shipping day. And I got a $10, up to a $10 item, and this was $10. And it's called the Cute Crochet 3D Embossing Folder. And that is what it looks like. I can't wait to play with that as well. I think that'll be really pretty on card backgrounds and things, and splattered, or even maybe textured, not textured, but pattern paper with a not too busy pattern on it would look pretty embossed. So this is a 3D one. It's pretty thick. It looks like this. But I have a lot of embossing folders, but I don't have one like this, and I thought it was really pretty. So I can't wait to try that. So that's it for that. I was going to hold this because I do have my not as big as usual Stampin' Up! Order coming on Friday, hopefully the 17th. Okay, so then next up, this is a January purchase. The Stampin' Up! Order and this next thing are my two January low spend. Now, I said low spend year. Most months, I will have a $50 a month budget, period. But for January, I think April, and maybe one other month, I added in $250 to that 50 for Stampin' Up! Or if I don't order from them for other items. That's still a lot of money for art supplies or whatever I decide, but I really am trying to limit my purchases to things I know I don't have. So anyway, but I got this thing from Simon Says Stamp, and it was here's a coupon for a free gift worth $15 for you. Yeah, but you had to spend $15 minimum to get it. Well, I spent $15, $15.99 actually, on this paper tray ink stamp set. It is all Get Well sentiments. This is Big Sentiments Get Well, it says. And let's see. That's not going to show up real good, is it? I don't know. I have a craft one here. Oh gosh, I just dumped something over. Hang on. Let's see if it'll show up better with that. Not really. But there's a big Get Well. This is the Big Sentiment Get Well. This is big. Oh, that's the name of the stamp set. So the stamp is just the Get Well. Let me see something. Yeah, that looked kind of weird. Another Get Well in script. Sending. Hope you're in my thoughts. Hope you're feeling better with each new day. Wishing on every star that you get better soon. Wishes. So Get Well. Wishes. Hang in there. Let's see, soon, get well soon. As as you rest and heal, know that you are in my thoughts and prayers. There may be a long road ahead of you, but you I cannot read. Don't need to walk it alone. I'll be there every step of the way. That's nice. Um, that actually, my daughter's one of her best friends, or if not her best friend, was diagnosed earlier, well, I guess later last year with a brain cancer, and it's I think it's called glioblastoma or something like that. It's really an aggressive cancer, and she had surgery. Um, she's been in a lot of pain still. It's very aggressive. They think they got it all, but she has to undergo radiation, and she started that. Actually, they just set up a GoFundMe, and I'm going to share it. Well, it might have been a little bit ago, but I just saw it on Instagram the other day from my daughter, but I couldn't share it for some reason. So I'm going to share it on Facebook. So if you follow me on Facebook, the GoFundMe will be there. Her name is Paige. Um, the friend's name, and it's just really sad. And she does have adult, well, not a teenage children. So yeah, because my daughter's in her 40s, you know. Anyway, I am so sorry you are feeling under the weather. Just take it one day at a time, and soon you'll be feeling like yourself again. And wishing you a speedy recovery and sending love and healing hugs. So I just felt like I needed, I don't know, I might have more. I know I have some in Stampin' Up! Sets, Get Well, but this is like I can grab it and make a bunch of Get Well cards, or I can make just a few, keeping some people, you know, person or people in mind. And so I like that. I'm kind of I'm kind of wanting to get the sentiments separate because, and then I don't need so many other stamp sets because I have a lot of flowers and I have other stuff, but you know, something different will take my fancy, like those toadstools. And I do have, you know, a cheap toadstool set, but I don't have the paper like that. So anyway, yeah, I don't need paper, but yes, I got it. So then the free gift is this, which is also a nice sentiment stamp set. Let's open this way. Sorry, I didn't realize it was in such a big plastic, but it's okay. I like it. And then they sent this card, your one-stop shop. There's no coupon on it, but this is a nice heavy card, which I'm going to put in my junk journaling supplies. This one, on the other hand, I think has, sorry for the crinkle, it has, enjoy a free gift for us. See, that's what I saw too. Heart chain stencil. Okay, this is another free coupon thing. Probably same as I had in email. So that also might go in my junk journal stuff. And this is called, one sec. Okay, sorry about that. This is called Picnic Floral Sentiments. Sending love. I don't know why picnic. Thinking of you. So many thanks. Happy birthday. Birthday wishes. Missing you. I love you. And hello. And then it does have like a daisy, a smaller four-leaf clover. It definitely like a four-leaf clover. The petals look like that. A leaf and another little tiny daisy kind of flower and a tiny little clover. So very cute and nice bold sentiments, but the scripts are nice and the fonts are nice. So I definitely can use this as well, another sentiment stamp set. So two sentiment stamps, and then they also sent these cute, I think these are called clay pieces. Oh, there's a button in there too. And they're like rainbow artist palettes almost, right? Can you see them? Aren't they cute? Cute for a shaker or even just to embellish cards or coloring pages or whatever. So yeah, I really like them. So that is my tiny little haul. I'm actually going to stick both of these because they're nice and thick. I could cover them or whatever and put them in my junk journal stuff, but that's a pretty crafty picture right there. Anyway, you know, and I'll put this in my hope to use it soon pile. This embossing folder. I really need to make some get well cards soon because that's one area I don't have many of. I probably gave them away or sold them in my $5 bags at that flea market yard sale thing last year. So I may use this and or some designer paper and just to do that. So yeah, I don't know when because I'm booked. I'm telling you, I am booked. All right, guys, that's all for now. Take care. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry I blabber on so much. I'll see you again soon. Hugs, love, and peace.